Arguments are underway as a Republican state education board battles a Republican state school superintendent, and the decision will determine who controls the money for the state's public schools. CBS North Carolina's Lauren Haviland joins us live now to fill us in on both sides. Lauren.
Good afternoon, Maggie and Russ. Now, the most recent budget passed by lawmakers includes nearly $9.5 billion going strictly for education. Now, as the law stands right now, the State Board of Education would decide how that money would be used, but that could change. Now, you may remember back in December, the General Assembly passed a law that would shift power from the Board of Education to State Superintendent Mark Johnson. That includes control of the state's education budget. But the law has not gone into effect because of a pending lawsuit. Right now, a three-judge panel is hearing arguments for that suit. Lawyers for the Board of Education claim the law is unconstitutional, arguing that the General Assembly should not have the power to change what else these education leaders are in charge of.
There is a role for the General Assembly in these kinds of circumstances. But here, that's not what they're doing. They are taking, as we said in the brief and the complaint, literally cutting and pasting the administer and supervisory constitutional powers of the state board and giving them to the superintendent.
Now, again, we haven't even heard for the lawyers that are representing the superintendent. Arguments are continuing as we speak, and we can expect them to continue into tomorrow. And then again, three judges will decide how to rule. You can look for updates on this case on WNCN.com. Live in downtown Raleigh, Lauren Haviland, CBS North Carolina.